Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Jaden Jennings. This week, the space station celebrates an anniversary, science investigations continue, and Progress 86 arrives to the orbiting laboratory. On Friday, December 1st, the Progress 86 cargo craft launched on a Soyuz rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The uncrewed cargo craft spent 2 days in orbit before docking to the orbiting laboratory's Poisk module at 6:18 a.m. Eastern Time. The Progress craft delivered almost 3 tons of food, fuel, and supplies to the Expedition 70 crew. Next, we take a look at the bacterial adhesion and corrosion study that flew on board the spacex 29 mission. Controlling microbial growth in recycled wastewater is necessary to provide water that is safe for drinking and personal hygiene, and to protect the integrity of life support systems for human habitation in space. The bacterial adhesion and corrosion experiment studies how spaceflight affects the formation of biofilms, or communities of multiple species of bacteria that adhere to surfaces. The investigation looks at the ability of biofilms to corrode stainless steel surfaces similar to those in the space station's water system, and examines how well disinfectants clear these biofilms. Earlier this week, NASA astronaut Jasmine Mobelli initiated microbial processing inside the Life Sciences glove box aboard station. Results from this study could provide insight into better ways to control and remove resistant biofilms, contributing to the success of future long-duration missions. The month of December marks 25 years since the historic assembly of the International Space Station. On December 6, 1998, the 6-member crew aboard Space Shuttle Endeavour on the STS-88 mission mated Unity, the first U.S. element of the International Space Station with the already orbiting Zarya module. 4 days after mating, the space station opened for the very first time, welcoming the crew aboard, igniting the future of humans living and working in a microgravity environment. You can keep up with the astronauts currently on board the space station by following their official social media accounts at AstroJaws, at LunarLaurel, or at AstroAndreas. Or you can follow us on X at space_station or at ISS_research for daily space operations and science updates. And that's Space to Ground this week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.